Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to answer questions and comment on others' responses on Google Classroom. So I chose an example of something that we have already done, which is the plant and animal cell simulation. Just as a quick review, you were asked to build an animal cell. There's all these different organelles to the left, and they each have a small description as to what they do. So once you were finished, you went to the plant cell, which I have in another tab. You built the same a plant cell using the same organelles that were shown with the animal cell. And finally, you built a Venn diagram. You were asked to put down what was similar with the two cells as well as what was different between the animal cell and the plant cell. So going back to your Google Classroom, the question that you need to answer is, in your own words, write down some differences and similarities between plant and animal cells. Why do you think they have some of these differences? So I went ahead and already typed my answer, so I'm just going to paste it here, but this is where you type your answer. A response that you could write could be something like, most of the organelles that we learned about belong to both types of cells. There were some that were only found in plant cells, such as the cell wall and the chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are in plants so that they can perform photosynthesis. Animal cells do not have chloroplasts because they do not need to perform photosynthesis. So once you are happy with your answer, you can go ahead and click submit. And a couple things will happen. One, you're going to see this green check mark and the done sign up at the top, but you're also going to see that something was added down here. It says see classmate answers. So you can go ahead and click on that. And here is where you can read what your classmates have written, but you can also choose to respond to something that they have posted. So Jill had already written something, and she wrote, in this simulation we learned that plant and animal cells have a lot in common. They both have a cell membrane, a nucleus, and other organelles. The plant cell had a cell wall and chloroplasts, which made it different from the animal cell. I'm not really sure why the plant cell had these, maybe to get energy from the sun. So here, if you would like to, you can respond to something that Jill said. And I also had typed this earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and then paste, but something that you can comment could be something like, I think the chloroplasts get energy from the sun, and the cell wall gives extra support. It's what gives plants their structure. And again, once you're okay with your response, you can go ahead and hit post. And once you've posted, Jill will get an alert that says that somebody has responded to her answer, and she can go ahead and look at that. So those are a couple of things that you can do with Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to come up and ask me or email me. And I will see you later.